Welcome to today's YouTube video. We're talking about the upcoming huge winter storm that's going to impact the Northeast in the South too, and ice storm that's going to impact the South. We're going to have a lot of details about it, everybody. So let's get into it. All right, everyone. We got Friday at 10 p.m. We can see we got snow in Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and some rain and snow in Texas. Then we got some rain in Texas. Got some snow in Colorado, Wyoming too. We can see in South Dakota some snow at this time also. Then we can see also get some snow over in the New England states, scattered too. Then we could see some snow in Colorado. All right, Saturday at 4 a.m. Get some heavier snow in Oklahoma, Arkansas too. We can see Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, Colorado, Texas. We got some rain and snow in Arkansas too. And rain, we got Texas too. Got some snow in Colorado too. Got some snow in New Mexico too. Also, we can see we got some scattered snow in the state of New York too. All right, Saturday at 7 a.m. we got some rain and snow in Texas and Arkansas to create some bad ice. We're going to be talking about our ice totals later in this video and the snow totals. Arkansas, we got some snow to heavier snow. Kansas, we got some heavier snow. We got some snow in Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, some snow in Colorado, and some rain in Texas too. We got some snow in Utah too. All right, Saturday at 10 a.m. we got some rain and snow in Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama a little too. Then Tennessee, we got some snow in Kentucky, Illinois, Missouri, Iowa too. You can see rain in Texas too, and some snow in Colorado too, and New Mexico. We can see on there too. All right, by Saturday at 1 p.m., we got our rain and snow really getting intense more. It's been intense, but it's going to get more intense in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi too, Tennessee. We got snow, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, Colorado too. All right, we got some rain and snow in Texas at 4 p.m. on Saturday, in Tennessee too. You can see also. We got some snow in Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Kentucky, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma. We got some snow in Colorado too, in New Mexico too, in Arizona too. All right, let's move on to 7 p.m. All right, 7 p.m. we got some more heavier ice, freezing rain in Arkansas, Tennessee, Texas, rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and some snow in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. In Arkansas too, you can see some snow too in Kansas and Iowa too. Then we can start moving into Ohio more at 10 p.m. We got some snow in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Arkansas, Kansas, some heavier snow in Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Kentucky, rain and snow mix in Tennessee, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, West Virginia. We got some snow in Virginia too. We can see on there. All right, Sunday at 1 a.m. we got some snow in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Arkansas too, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Kentucky, rain and snow in Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi too. You can see in North and South Carolina. Got some snow in West Virginia, Virginia too. And looks like some in Pennsylvania too. All right, Sunday at 4 a.m. I'm sorry, guys. Sunday at 4 a.m. Got some heavier rain and snow in Arkansas and Texas, Kentucky, North Carolina, South Carolina. Got some heavier snow Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, Ohio to West Virginia and Virginia. Then we got rain down Louisiana, Mississippi too, in parts of Georgia and Texas. Then Sunday at 7 a.m. we got heavier snow in Ohio, heavier snow in Pennsylvania too, lighter snow in New York at the time. The heavier snow stretching all the way from New Mexico all the way up to Virginia and Ohio. See, then we got our ice storm going on in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. Then we got Sunday at 10 a.m. We can see got some heavier ice accumulations going on right now. Then we got some heavier snow in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Oklahoma, Missouri, Texas. We got some snow and some snow in Pennsylvania, New York. Then we got our ice totals in North, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas too. And we get some snow in Texas and Oklahoma. Okay, Sunday at 1 p.m. we get our ice, freezing rain in Louisiana, Mississippi too, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, North and South Carolina. Got our heavier snow in Pennsylvania, New York, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Oklahoma. We got some light snow in Arkansas too. We can see and rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama too. All right, Sunday at 4 p.m. Looks like we get some more heavier snow in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York too. We can see Illinois, Indiana. Got some rain, ice in North and South Carolina, and Virginia, West Virginia, Tennessee, Mississippi, Kentucky too. Got some snow in Missouri too, Oklahoma, and Arkansas too. All right, Sunday at 7 p.m. Get some heavier snow in Pennsylvania, New York, New England states, West Virginia. We got some freezing rain too. We can see also. Then we got some freezing rain in North and South Carolina too. Then we got some rain in Georgia, in Alabama too. You can see. Or we got our heavier snow band in the New England states. Then Sunday at 10 p.m. we get some heavier snow in Ohio. Our freezing rain in Virginia, in North Carolina, to in New Jersey, to in Pennsylvania. Then Monday at 1 a.m. we get some heavier snow in the New England states, and we get some snow in Ohio too. Then it looks like our snow completely clears out of Ohio and things by 4 a.m. pretty much. Get some scattered snow in Pennsylvania, Ohio too, in Kansas too, and rain and stuff in North Carolina too. Then 7 a.m. we got our snow in New England states, Maine, also Kansas. Then 10 a.m. we still got some snow. Then 4 p.m. slight snow. Then that's pretty much it for that. So let's look at our snow totals. All right, everyone. So this is what our snow totals are gonna look like. So this is Saturday, January 24th at 8 a.m. So this is from This is from 24 hours before. It's from Friday, January 24th, January 24th at 8 a.m. So just showing you an example. So we got Kansas for 6 inches on the ground on Saturday, January 24th at 8 a.m. 4 to 6 inches in Kansas, Oklahoma a few inches, in parts of Arkansas we could have 8 to 10 in some parts too. Then 5 inches in Arkansas, Tuveri, Nebraska, a couple inches of snow at this point. Then Colorado, we have a lot of snow in the mountains. We can see like 15 inches of snow, 20 inches of snow up in the mountains too. We can see. Then we got let's skip ahead. So then we got by 5 p.m. Looks like our snow totals are higher in Kansas, almost 9 inches. Almost 9 inches. Sorry, my mic just cut it out. 9 inches of snow almost in Kansas potentially. This time, Missouri, 3 inches. Parts of Oklahoma, 11. In Arkansas, a foot of snow potentially. Then the Colorado mountains are getting a lot of snow, like 18 to 20 inches of snow up there. Illinois, we got an inch on the ground at this time. Nebraska, you only got 2 that fallen in the last 24 hours. Then Texas, you only got an inch too at this time. Also, all right, so then this is Sunday at 3 a.m. You can see Oklahoma, we got like 10 inches of snow on the ground. Texas, so you could have 10 inches of snow that falls too. Parts of Kentucky could have 6 inches too. In Ohio, we could have 2 inches of snow. Indiana, we got a couple inches. Illinois, we got a few inches. Iowa, we got a couple, maybe 1 to 2 at this point. Missouri, we got 6 to 7 inches of snow. Kansas, we got a couple inches of snow too. Also, all right, so it's Sunday by 11 a.m. In Texas, we could have over a foot of snow that has fallen in some parts of Texas. Oklahoma, we could have a foot almost. Missouri, we could almost have a foot. Indiana, we could have 11 inches. Ohio, we could have several inches on the ground too. We are going to switch the model to the east soon. All right, so then Sunday by 2 p.m. we could have in Indiana 12 inches on the ground, 13 inches, 14 inches. Illinois, we could have 10 inches, 12 inches in Missouri. Oklahoma, we could have 8, 10, 11, 12 inches too in some parts too. All right, let's move on to the east. All right, so this is what Sunday at 2 p.m. looks like. Pennsylvania, we got 6 inches that's fallen, 7 inches in Maryland. Parts of Ohio, we could have 8 to 10 in some parts of Ohio too. Indiana, we have 5 to 12 in some parts, depends. Illinois, got 2 at the northern part. Then by the southern part of it, south part, got the 12 inches on the ground. Also, you can see. Then New York got a few inches of snow on the ground too. Then then by Sunday at 7 p.m. we can see parts of Ohio got over at least a foot of snow almost all over in some parts of Ohio. In Indiana, in Pennsylvania, we could have 13 inches of snow, 15 inches potentially. From this, New York, 10 inches. New England, 9 inches. Other parts of New England states only have a few inches of snow on the ground right now. Kentucky, 11 inches in some parts, 5 inches in some parts. Virginia, 8 inches too. This is going to be a big storm, everybody. All right, so then Monday by 1 a.m. in part of the New England states, we have 18 inches of snow on the ground, everybody. That's a lot. Maine, we could have a couple inches too at this point. Ohio, we could have 12 inches. Virginia, we could have 8 inches. Missouri, we could have 7 inches. Arkansas, we could have 7. Virginia, we could have 8. All right, so the Monday by 8 a.m. in Maine, we could have 11 inches. That's fallen in the last 24 hours. Also, 15 in New York, we can see. Also, Ohio, 8. Indiana, 6 to 7 inches. Then we got pretty much, let's see, let's keep going. Okay, the Monday by 6 p.m., 14 inches has fallen in Maine, 11 and 12, and 10 in New York. So let's move on to our ice totals. All right, we're going to be talking about our freezing rain ice totals. So right now for Friday at 10 p.m., we got 0.1, 0.1.9 in Texas, parts of Oklahoma 0.1, 0.0, 0.3, Arkansas 0.112 inches of ice. 2 we can see also on the ground right for this time. Then let's move on to Saturday. We got a little bit more ice. This ice we're talking about here that's gonna happen. This could cause power outages, everything. The roads are gonna be dangerous too. Like then again Texas 0.34, Arkansas 0.34 inches, Oklahoma 0.46 inches of ice, Texas 0.28. Then we can see parts of New Mexico, some ice on the ground, potentially 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. Then let's move on to Saturday afternoon. We got 1.3 inches of ice on the ground in part of Oklahoma. In Arkansas, we got an inch of ice on the ground. Texas, 0.59 inches of ice, 0.47 inches, 0.3 inches. Mississippi, 0.3, 0.1 at Alabama, too. All right, then let's move on to Saturday night, 11 p.m. Got 1.5 inches on the ground in Oklahoma, 1 inch in Arkansas. Looks like Tennessee, we got a half an inch of ice too. Then 4 a.m. on Sunday, got almost 2 inches of ice on the ground in Oklahoma and Arkansas. That's really scary, guys. Actually, that's bad. That's a lot of ice. This is ice from talk. This is not like normal ice. Ice is bad in general, but this is so bad. It's caused power outages and things. This is just not good. Like Kentucky got 0.15 inches of ice too. You can see Texas 0.76, Texas 0.5. You can see. Let's move on to our East region. All right, Sunday at 7 a.m. we got in North Carolina 0.34, South Carolina 0.5, Tennessee 0.29, Tennessee 0.73, Arkansas 1 inch of ice, almost 2 inches of ice in Oklahoma at that time. So got 0.34 in North Carolina. Then we can see by Sunday by 8 p.m. got an inch of ice in Virginia. You can see also parts of Mississippi, we could have over an inch of ice too, almost 2 inches too. In Tennessee, we could have over an inch of ice too. In parts of Virginia, we could have over an inch of ice. South Carolina, we could have half an inch of ice. Georgia, we could have almost a 0.6 inch of ice. We got 1 inch of ice in Tennessee, 0.41 in Kentucky, too. Louisiana, 1 inch, 2 we can see, or over an inch of ice too. All right, then Monday by 8 a.m. This is what our totals look like. New Jersey, we could have 0.15 inches of ice. Pennsylvania, we could have 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 inches of ice. Maryland, we could have 0.7. Parts of Virginia, we could almost have 1.5 inches of ice. In North Carolina, too, we could have 0.8, 0.4, 0.7. In Kentucky, we could have 0.41, too. We can see also. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. about. Hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. Stay safe out there, everyone. Brutal cold air is coming in too, in a huge snowstorm, also an ice storm. Stay safe, everybody. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys.